Every day, billions of emails are sent worldwide. And hidden among them are threats that aim to breach your digital life. Welcome to How to Spot a Phishing Email, Tips and Tricks for Protecting Your Data.
Hey there, I am Thibaut, and today we're going to become detectives in our own right, uncovering the secrets to spotting phishing email that could compromise our data.
Phishing is a cybercrime where targets are contacted by email, by someone posing as a legitimate institution to lure individuals into providing sensitive data. It's like phishing, but here, you're the catch. It's a serious threat, with millions falling victim every year. But you can outsmart these cybercriminals with a few simple tips. Let's dive into the telltale signs.
First up, the sender's address. Legitimate companies use domain emails. If it's a string of jumbled characters, beware. Look for genetic greetings, poor spellings and grammar, and urgent requests for information. Some companies also indicate when the sender is outside your organization or when you rarely receive message from the sender.
These are all red flags. Hover, don't click. Hovering over a link can reveal a fake URL, even if it looks convincing.
And remember, legitimate organizations rarely ask you to download attachments or provide information via email. Staying vigilant is key. Always verify the authenticity of an email by contacting the company directly through official channels.
And keep your antivirus software up to date. It can be a great ally in detecting threats. If you spot a phishing email, don't engage, report it to the official authorities and your email provider to help stop the spread. And if you've accidentally clicked on something, change your passwords immediately and monitor your accounts for any unusual activity. There you have, folks. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to protecting your data from phishing attacks. Stay cautious, stay curious, and keep your digital life secure.